Do you know our farms are hiding a secret? Every passing day, our greed for quicker, cheaper, and greater yields is killing our lands bit by bit. The reason being chemical fertilizers and pesticides, use of heavy machines, and excessive soil tillage. This results in our soil losing its microbial balance, fertility, and eventually our food losing its nutrition. Now, why should we care? The food we are eating has become more harmful than nutritious. We are running out of fertile lands, and soon we are set to face a food crisis. This is why we at Girveda have taken up the challenge of fighting this issue. Our cow-based natural and sustainable farming practices not only nourishes the soil but also restores the goodness of our food. Come, join us in this initiative of a healthier earth and a healthier you as we celebrate the Environment Month this June. Let's go green with Girveda.